So guys, we just set up our hives. That was about 3 days ago, and now I am going to check if we have caught a swarm of bees. I have to be very careful because I don't want to be attacked in case there's anything. Okay guys, you can see here, this is one of the hives and there is nothing. We go to the next one. And I was here about 20 minutes ago and there was a swarm of bees hanging on the outside of that hive, and they've all gone inside because I had to run to the house and pick my iPhone, which I would be able to zoom and see them. But I picked them on my GoPro, so I hope that I'll be able to see it on the GoPro picture that I took, or video that I took when I was here just like 10 minutes ago. I just hope that when they went inside, because they're gone. They are gone. They're really gone, and I hope that they're inside. Wow. I wish I stayed here. I wanted to capture it. That's why I left. It looked like the bird flying around. It's going to scare them. I hope they didn't fly away. There are very many birds here. You can see that. You know, this is in the countryside. You share everything. Birds, insects, animals, you and everything. Wow. Wow. I just hope they went inside. I wish I stayed here. Oh my God, I should have stayed here to see what happened. Anyway, I think that they are inside. Not like that. Oh, look at that. Look at that bird. Oh my God. Look at that bird. It shouldn't go there. It will scare them. Oh my God. Look at that. Go away. Now that we are sure that we've caught a swarm of bees, we need to do everything possible to keep them with us. And so I'm going to make some food for them. I will take a little sugar and add to water, and I'll take it to them. So I read somewhere that when a new swarm of bees comes to your farm, you need to offer them some water and some food. Otherwise, they might go away if they don't get food within the next 2 weeks. So I have decided to make some food for them, and that is sugar and water, and I'm taking it to them. I hope they will love it. And I just take a walk through this farm that we have planted some kales, and we also have the beehives hanging on the trees in the same farm. This is very exciting that you can make or plant or grow things, and then also you can keep beehives. Beehives are actually the easiest way of farming, because all you need to do is hang your hives and pray that you catch a swarm. And that's all. You just wait to harvest. That's all. So like you saw in my other video, that we actually treated our hives. We cleaned them, we treated them, and we hang them in a very special way. And this is why within 3 days, we have caught a bee swarm. This is very, very exciting. And as we talk now, we've already caught 4 other bee swarms. So we have 5 bee swarms within 10 days, which is very, very uncommon. It was very easy after we had cleaned our hives and we had put the concentrated lemongrass oil. Very easy, and you make sure that your hives don't touch the trees. So here I am dead scared because they just came today, and I am not sure if they want to see me or to hear me or to smell me, but I have to give them this food. So I have to go up to that tree where they're hanging on top, and I shall place this water with sugar down on that little stand that's on the tree. Thank you for watching. Please tune in to see when we are selling our natural honey within 6 months from now. We'll have a lot of honey, so make sure that you make your booking. Just keep on checking on Chaos World, and you'll be able to see when we are selling our honey. Thank you for watching, and watch my next video here. Bye.